Has your Mac... Yes.
What?
Has your Mac broken in the last 6 to 8 weeks? If it has, then you...
Happy with that? What am I hitting it already? Oh, come on! Oh.
Have you had a MacBook break in the last 6 to 8 weeks? If you do, fuck.
Oh, come on! You kidding me?
Have you had a MacBook break?
I haven't even hit it yet. Come on! Are you kidding me?
Have you had a MacBook break in the last 6 to 8 weeks? If you have, you need Nico and Jake's MacBook fixing repairing service.
Does the road to recovery make sense in this?
Does any of this make sense?
Working with someone with a stutter is not a good idea.
Go ahead. Start again.
I need to take my jumper off, it's so hot.
Oh yeah, workman at work, baby. Get Linkin Park or Justin Bieber event news. Sign up. Love that this is going to be just an outtake of just me and you just...
Working hard.
Yeah. Or hardly working. Am I right? Ow!
Gloves are so hot. Why not?
It's a weird fetish to have.
Yeah, nice one.
Hey, hey! Oh, fuck!
I was not expecting that to explode off my face.
So, for those watching the outtakes video, that was the only apple we had. Does it still spin? Oh, very nice. Just get that in there, that's nice.
I was not ready for that.
Yeah, if you just want to... and safely show you how to reinstall...
I thought you were expecting this.
I am, but it's not easy. One of the greatest films of all time, I might add. I like to think the fact that I'm laughing at it means it's going to be funny. Start again. Right, if you want to put in one of the best films of all time, that's Superman Returns right there. I bought that in a market. Carefully reinsert. How do we get this so wrong? Superman Returns. But Superman Returns, I bought that.
How's that funny still?
Despite living in a modern technical a modern technical area, many yeah. Essentially, you've got a brand new keyboard. I hear you ask. First we need to readjust the battery. There's that. That shouldn't have been as funny as I thought it was. We need to reinstall the battery. There's that. Shit.
Cheers guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little sketch.
If you did, then like and subscribe.
Okay, yeah. Cheers guys for...
And that one? It's alright. Wahoo! I'm gonna sniff glue.